Welcome to Mingling Trays! Today we're gonna make Korean pork steak with gochujang sauce, which is simple, easy, and of course, it's delicious! Here we have about 650 grams of pork shoulder, Next, we're gonna make awesome marinade. First, chop the garlic. Finally, chop the ginger, salt, maple syrup, soy sauce and white wine, sugar and pepper, Korean red chili pepper powder, 고춧가루, and gochujang. Mix well. Add sesame oil after all the ingredients are mixed well. It's done. Let's add pork. Keep them in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour to marinate. Yum! All done! It's time to enjoy! We also enjoyed a spicy pork steak taco with kimchi slaw. I strongly recommend to try it out at home. Thanks for watching and see you